Well, I got Casey's birthday gift and I've contacted both moms and neither mom, mine or his, got him this gift. I didn't think anyone would. So it's coming in the mail 3 days before his birthday. Casey, I hope you like it. And it's 12:30. I need to make lunch. We literally have no plans today. There's nothing on TV tonight either. Maybe we'll open some wine and we'll have some wine or something. That sounds like a good plan. And maybe play some board games. Because tomorrow we have a FaceTime call and the Lady Gaga benefit concert is on and I really want to watch it. So we're gonna make a list of all the meals because we're actually going grocery shopping. My first official quarantine grocery shopping trip, Monday. We're gonna make like a menu of all the stuff so that way we can pick what meals we want. The focus is on me as soon as I get down. We don't have enough chicken. I want more chicken.
This is more than half of what I had.
Oh.
Chop it up like normal.
Are you gonna put it on the grill?
Yeah.
Okay, so the sweet potatoes probably gonna take like an hour. Alexa, how long do I put in a sweet potato in the oven? How to bake a sweet potato in the oven. I wish we had like broccoli or something to go with it. Preheat oven to 425. Bake until tender or fork insert. Thickest part has resistance, 50 minutes. Okay, do I wrap it in foil or no? It doesn't look like it. This is what we're making. Baked sweet potato. It says poke holes in it and put it in the oven for 50 minutes on 425. It says just add butter, coconut oil, cinnamon, salsa, yogurt as toppings if that's what you want. All right, I guess we don't have to wrap it. We're just gonna put it.
You want soup again? You haven't had that in
Baked potato soup?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna make the list. And then
Why don't we try this? Why don't we just list all the meals and then
I'd hope not. There's 13 minutes left.
that's why I do all these. So someone's gonna have to chicken.
Do you think we'll be okay for the next couple weeks?
Yeah, we do like once a week.
Yeah. Oh, weeks too. I can't remember, did I put one in it? Oh, I did. There we go. Several hours later, not really. It's 12:30. We're officially done cleaning. We're having our coffee now. Casey is about to film and I'm gonna get ready. What?
I like when you pause. You're like,
well, he's gonna film and I'm gonna show you guys him filming just BTS, and then I'm going to go get ready and do my hair.
what is BTS?
Behind the scenes.
Oh.
So this is what this is looking like over here. We got the beeps, we got the phone, the ring light, the pedal board. He makes music, so if anyone needs music for their YouTube videos or just music in general, this is his whole setup. Because you're just filming down, right? You're just filming down. So can I leave it over here? Do you need me to start? Record another thing first?
Yeah.
So no, I'll start for you.
No, I want to hit start. Because I want to have me coming in front of the camera.
Alright, welcome to my makeup portion of the vlog. I just went ahead and did everything else off camera. This highlight is insane. In so much ice. And this was like $5 at Walmart, and it's so nice.
I mean, like, people go out of their way, like these.
My grandma made us these masks for Easter with just some leftover fabric that she had. And I haven't put it on yet, but thank you, Grandma. We are going to Longhorn Steakhouse now. We just want to be safe. So we got gloves. We got sanitizer. And Casey has the wipes in his bag. I look so silly. We look so silly. You guys, new neighbors. Ooh, I hope they're the ones that are going in above us, because they suck. People out. Look at all these people not social distancing.
They're 10 cars away.
They're 10 cars away. Like literally just pouring outside. But we ordered a Longhorn Steakhouse. But maybe it'll be done early so we can eat. Because it's about to be so good. So this is what it's looking like here. They have like the signs out here, and they have a tent over there with some people. Alrighty, we are home. Casey has officially disinfected everything. We have our wine.
Can you get us some steak knives?
Oh, I got my cell phone, but I can grab you one. So those are for you. Look at him go. We got our bougie wine glasses out. How's that look? Okay. I got Flo's filet. Casey got a ribeye, mac and cheese, but I'm trying to cut out as much dairy as possible and switch over to vegan dairy because it really upsets my stomach. So they were nice enough to give us all this butter and sour cream, and I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna use my vegan butter because I don't want my tummy to hurt. I am not going fully vegan. I like meat too much. I got bacon, and then I also got baked potato soup, but I'm gonna save that for tonight, maybe tomorrow. I don't need 2 sides. This is already a lot of food for me.
It's just enough food for me.
Are you gonna share the bread?
I just split it in half.
Okay.
I get 3 things of butter from it.
Yep, you get all the butter. We're gonna do a FaceTime call with this friend, and we will talk to you guys later. Many hours later, we are settling down to watch Maze Runner, cleaning up the kitchen. Thank you for coming along on our Saturday routine that we had going on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in your quarantine, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye guys.